NASA was founded in 1958 as the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The Apollo 11 mission successfully landed humans on the Moon in 1969. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990, providing stunning space images. NASA's Mars rover, Perseverance, successfully landed on Mars in 2021. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object leaving the solar system. The International Space Station, ISS, serves as a microgravity research lab. The Space Shuttle program operated from 1981 to 2011, with 135 missions. The James Webb Space Telescope is set to be the next-generation space observatory. NASA's Curiosity rover has been exploring Mars since landing in 2012. The Chandra X-ray Observatory studies X-rays from high-energy regions. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s. The Parker Solar Probe was launched in 2018 to study the Sun's outer atmosphere. The Earth Observing System, EOS, monitors Earth's climate and environment. NASA's Ingenuity helicopter successfully completed the first powered flight on Mars. The Juno spacecraft has been studying Jupiter's atmosphere since 2016. The New Horizons probe conducted a historic flyby of Pluto in 2015. NASA's TESS mission searches for exoplanets using transit photometry. The Chandra X-ray Observatory was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia. The Pioneer 10 spacecraft was the first to travel through the asteroid belt. The Galileo spacecraft provided valuable data on Jupiter and its moons. NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, WISE, mapped the entire sky in infrared. The Kepler Space Telescope discovered thousands of exoplanets using the transit method. The Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution, MAVEN, orbiter studies Mars atmosphere. The Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, observes the Sun. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter maps the Moon's surface in high detail. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, aims to find Earth-like planets. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission successfully collected samples from asteroid Bennu. The Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, SOFIA, observes celestial objects from high altitudes. The Mars Science Laboratory, MSL, Curiosity rover is nuclear-powered. The Cassini-Huygens mission provided insights into Saturn and its moon Titan. The Earth Polychromatic Imaging Camera, EPIC, captures daily images of Earth. The Chandra X-ray Observatory helps astronomers study black holes. The Mars Express orbiter, launched by the European Space Agency, explores Mars. NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations, NEO, program tracks asteroids and comets. The Dawn spacecraft orbited and studied the dwarf planets Vesta and Ceres. The InSight lander is designed to study the interior of Mars. The Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO, observes the Sun's outer atmosphere. The Lunar Gateway is a planned space station for lunar exploration. NASA's Juno spacecraft entered orbit around Jupiter in 2016. The Cosmic Background Explorer, COBE, provided crucial data on the early universe. The Mars Pathfinder mission successfully deployed the Sojourner rover in 1997. The ExoMars program is a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency. The Planck Space Telescope mapped the cosmic microwave background radiation. The Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment, GRACE, monitors Earth's water movement. The Deep Impact spacecraft deliberately collided with Comet Tempel 1. The Stereo mission observes the Sun and its coronal mass ejections. NASA's Stratospheric Aerosol and Gas Experiment, SAGE, studies Earth's ozone layer. The Galileo spacecraft discovered evidence of an ocean beneath Europa's icy crust. The Spitzer Space Telescope observed the universe in the infrared spectrum. The OSIRIS-REx mission returned a sample of asteroid Bennu to Earth.